Let us learn about fillet welding now. Fillet welding refers to the process of joining two pieces of metal together when they are perpendicular or at an angle. These welds are commonly referred to as T-joints, which are two pieces of metal perpendicular to each other. Now, let us look at how to perform a fillet T-weld on a mild steel plate in flat position by SMAW process.
At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to set and tack plate pieces in alignment as T-joints and by keeping distortion allowance. Set the T-joint in flat position for welding. Deposit root run in T-joint of proper size and penetration. Deposit final covering run in the T-joint of proper leg size. Inspect surface defects on the fillet weld.
Now, let us look at the tools required for T-joint on a 10 mm thick MS plate. Steel rule, scriber, prick punch, ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, electrode cable and earth cable, electrode holder, electrode, personal protective equipment, SMAW welding plant machine, C-clamp.
Let us see the procedure for the fillet T-joint on MS plate in flat position by SMAW process. Cut the plate by gas cutting. Clean the joining edges and surface of the plates and set the pieces in the form of T in alignment forming 90 degree between the plates. This presetting to 90 degree is done to compensate the effect of shrinkage forces when weld deposit cools down. Preset the pieces to have 90 degree angle between the plate surfaces and give a distortion allowance of 3 degrees. Tack weld the pieces at both ends of the T-joint by using a 2.5 mm dia medium coated MS electrode and 110 to 120 amps welding current. Deposit root run using 2.5 mm dia medium coated MS electrode and 110 amps welding current. Ensure uniform root penetration and an electrode angle of 45 degrees between the plates and 80 degrees with the weld line. Deslag and clean the root slag thoroughly. Deposit covering run with a weave motion using a 4 mm dia medium coated MS electrode and 160 amps welding current. Proceed along the welding line with uniform travel speed and short arc to get uniform fusion and root penetration. Use a weld gauge for checking the leg size of the weld. If you do not get the required 10 mm leg length in 2 runs of weld deposit, then deposit a third run using the same technique adopted for the second run. Stop the electrode weaving for a moment at the toes of the weld to avoid undercut. Fill the crater at the end of the bead. Here are some of the defects of fillet T-joints. spatters, crack, parent metal, crater, trapped slag, underfill.
Recap.
Set the T-joint in flat position for welding. Set and tack plate pieces in alignment as T-joint. Deposit root run of proper size and penetration. Deposit final covering run in the T-joint of proper leg size. Inspect surface defects on the fillet weld.